Hello everyone, in this video tutorial I will show you how you can import symbology from one layer to another layer or from one shapefile to another shapefile. For this purpose I have this shapefile and the symbology have been defined from each formation, like recent sediment. This color have been defined for it, for mud volcano the green color, and all of the feature you can see and the symbology and the color for it. We use the import symbology. For example, if I have given this shapefile to another person, third person, and they have made changes within it, and for example they then provide me this formation shapefile that the changes have been done in this shapefile or layer. So now I want to make this shapefile to define the symbology and colors just like this shapefile, like this. So if I do it like let me click on the right click on it and go to the attributes, and within the name field you can see the different formation. So for each formation I want to give it a symbology or color. So it's first of all I will make it unique values. Go and now select the field, the name, okay, uncheck it. So you can see here I will remove the all other values like this, but the symbology of these formation are changed from the previous one, from this one. So I want these styles, these colors for this shapefile. So if I change it manually, so it take a lot of time, and I don't know the exact number of this RGB color number. So I will first go to the color properties and now select the RGB. Now you can put the RGB like 225, 225, 222. Now for example let me go to the this is the recent deposits, and so for the recent deposit I will go to the color edits and now RGB 225, 225 and 222. So this is actually that color. Now let me see you once again. Okay, but I will do it just on one click. How I will do it? Okay, now click on this formation and now go to the symbology. Within the symbology, click on this 3 dashes, import symbology. Now I will import symbology into this layer. This layer has been selected. Now I need the symbology from this formation. This will be marked as formation 1 and this is formation. So I will select this formation 1, this, and now I will also choose the source field, from which source field I will pick the symbology. So it's actually this formation has been classified based on the name of the formation. So the source field is the name of the formation and the target field is also the name of the formation. Both of the source field and target field should be the same. Keep in mind, it should be the same. Or you can also add another field as well. Now I will click run. Now you can see that the same colors from the formation 1 has been picked by the formation. Now let me uncheck it. Now you can see it here. So all of the colors have been picked. Now to do it, like for example, let me copy it, this. I will remove this one, and now let me paste this structure, and now I will go to the symbology, and now let me give it single symbol color like this. So you can see here, I will uncheck this, and now this formation, these structure don't have the exact symbology like anticline, syncline in this, like this structure. So I will go to the structure and right click on it and go to the symbology. Now select the unique values. Sorry, stay on the single symbol, or you can also select that, but actually we don't need that. So go to the import symbology. Now from the structure, and I will pick the structure from the structure feature from the structure 1, and now also the name. So here actually the this has been classified based on the name. You can see actually the from the attributes, you know, the name, in the name field the name of these feature have been there has been named on the structure, based on the structure. So now once again go to the symbology, import symbology, structure 1, name field, and run it. Now again go to the symbology, import symbology, structure 1, name. Now it's been successfully executed. So you can see that same as the structures, this structure file or shapefile have been classified, and the symbology have been picked from this shapefile to this shapefile. So you can do it just in one click. Thank you for watching.